Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Grammar is an important part of English. Not only does it affect how we speak, but it also affects the way words are used. Without the correct grammar, incorrect meanings can be made. Today we shall explore the differences between will and would. What is the difference between will and would? The word will is generally used as a modal verb, but it can also be used as a noun. Would is also a modal verb and is the past tense of will. Another difference between will and would is that will is used in statements that refer to the future, while would is used to refer to events in the past. However, would can also be used to refer to a future event only if that event occurs under specific circumstances. Usage. As we already said, will can be used both as a modal verb and as a noun. As a verb, will is used in expressing future tense, referring to inevitable situations or events, making a request, and stating facts about capacity or ability. As a noun, will is known as a legal document that contains instructions concerning money and property after one's death, and used in willpower, which is the ability to restrain your impulses. When would is used as a modal verb, it is used as the past tense of will, used in referring to the consequence of a hypothetical situation or event, used to indicate an inclination or desire, and used in making a polite request. Examples of sentences using will are: as a verb, in expressing future tense, you will understand when you are older. In referring to inevitable situations or events, lives will be lost during wars. When making a request, will you pass me that dish, please? When stating facts about capacity or ability, a light so bright that it will shine through the thickest fog. As a noun, a legal document that contains instructions concerning money and property after one's death. John's wife was left out of his will. Willpower. Jones had an iron will. Examples of sentences using would are: as past tense of will, he said he would be doing the dishes. When referring to the consequence of a hypothetical situation or event, his life would be at risk if he turned whistleblower. When indicating an inclination or desire, I would love to own a car. When making a polite request, would you like some cake? I hope you now understand the differences between will and would. English grammar is fairly easy even though there are many rules and an equally perplexing number of exceptions to those rules. Learning concepts one step at a time can be an effective way to become proficient in English grammar. Make sure to save these words so you can practice using them in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.